all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why.
Last year we did straight Beatles, you know, we turned up a little bit that first night. This year I felt we do a little bit different. We gonna start it off with that this year, y'all. I had to get my guy. He came on. He came on for an interview on my YouTube channel. Blew it out the park. You know, you would think we've known each other before that. You know what I mean? And but he killed it.
I like the life I built. I'm from West Side 60, shit, I might got killed.
Like, a lot of people don't understand what it takes to stand in front of a camera. When you going through a lot of stuff, you got a lot of stuff going on, and speak life into other people. And this man's been doing that for over 10 years. And it's because of him that a lot of us in this building are entrepreneurs today. It's because of him that we've had the courage to say,
grinding all my life.
F job.
Grinding all my life.
Enjoy yourself and remember, tomorrow won't be on time.
The town is out. They didn't think that we would make it. They didn't believe in us. Oh, but I know why we have seen it. But I know.
But what sharks also need is sucker fish. So those little fish that attach to sharks, that sharks take them everywhere, they go everywhere. And so what it took for me was to be able to realize which rooms I'm the shark in and which rooms I'm the sucker fish in. You know, because sometimes I ain't Shark Tony at all. Sometimes I'm a little sucker fish Tony, just soaking up when I'm able to attach to Jason and I'm going where he going. And I'm moving where he moving, and I'm learning what he has to feed me.
We're here at the Clean Biz Networking Conference. This is a great event. We got to meet a lot of different cleaner owners around the country that look just like me, which is a great thing AJ is doing. Also, I got a lot of information. Learned a lot about different ways of cleaning, corporate, different ways of getting accounts, you know, even invoicing, different things like this. You know, this is a great event to be at. Next year, I'm looking for everybody who's watching this to be here at Clean Biz 24.
It's all about your mindset and what you think about and what you believe, what you're willing to work towards. So, my job right here is to share that story with you and evoke or inspire some people here that's really, really big.
First off, you have to meditate, you have to stay grounded. There's no way you're going to go around and do something that is this difficult without finding a place to ground yourself.
The vibe is tremendous. A lot of great networking. You learn a lot from the CBN network, and everyone wants to build, and we want to win.
This is Bust Down, Scrub Down Cleaning Services from Tampa, Florida, coming to tell you that you should be here. And if you're not here, then you have next year to catch up with what you missed out.
Make some noise, stand up, get around the ball, so don't do it. Clean.
If you're going to get into this and you want to do what AJ doing, you better make sure that whatever you selling, you can, I mean, it's going to be exactly what the hell you felt is worth that. Especially, you don't be out here, I mean, the scammer person. Y'all see that, a lot of that going on out here in that street. You don't want to be that person. And honestly, I'm glad because a lot of people that hop on that shit too early, they ain't have a footwork in. And I think that I helped contribute to that culture because they saw how young I was and thought, oh shit, he started as a year ago and just started teaching people. And had no idea that I did this shit. So I mean, I was 17 when I first got hired by Pop in high school. I started my first franchise at 19. So all the way, I didn't start cleaning the network until 2018. So 2018 all the way back to 2006 is how long I've been in this industry learning from OGs around here. So like, don't think that this shit is some lucky shit. You gotta put that work in. And as long as you willing to put the work in, you can do it too. Build your clean business network, and I know you do it. But don't try to sit the fucking work. That's my message for today. Thank y'all for coming out.
Man, great conference. I had a wonderful time meeting a lot of people. What do you think?
I have massive takeaways. So enjoyed the nuggets that was dropped. AJ, Rick, Debbie. I'm going home and I'm changing lives forever.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2, step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Bring the party up, we about to get it on. Let me see you 1, 2, step. I love it when you 1, 2, step. Everybody 1, 2, step. This beat is outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made it.
I truly want you to know that everybody's here because of you, bro. Everybody has found something in your journey that has helped them.